Penta-Ocean Construction is celebrating its 125th anniversary since its founding in Kura City, Hiroshima Prefecture, in 1896. Our initial business in marine civil engineering works has significantly expanded to land civil engineering and building construction works. Beginning with the Suez Canal dredging project in 1961. Our journey abroad has been marked by a number of memorable milestone projects, mostly based in Singapore, since our foray into Singapore in 1964. Under our ESG-oriented management philosophy of affiliating with society, creating a nature-rich environment, and cherishing a pioneering spirit, we strive to become a genuine global general contractor with distinctive strengths in port, coastal, and waterfront areas and overseas. A genuine global general contractor is a company free from barriers between civil engineering and building construction businesses, as well as between domestic and overseas businesses, and is an advanced company in diversity and inclusion, where diverse human resources, regardless of nationality or gender, can work together with vigor and enthusiasm as well as mutual respect. We will continue to promote digital and green initiatives with an enterprising spirit as part of our corporate DNA. Through implementing digital transformation, we will bolster the work style reform and the productivity improvement for realizing the reform. Similarly, we are taking on the challenge of the green energy field, including the construction of offshore wind farms and zero-energy buildings. Through ensuring reliable safety and quality backed by advanced technologies, we will deliver the joy and excitement of creating, building. For Penta-Ocean Construction, an era of new challenge begins beyond organizational barriers and borders.
In October 2022, the new Muroran factory of Penta-Ocean Construction was completed. In addition to the bridge fabrication, the new factory will be transformed into a fabrication hub for various temporary steel structures related to offshore wind turbine installation of foundations, towers, blades, etc. All electricity used at the new factory will come from renewable energy sources. Electricity is generated mainly by solar power generation installed on the roof of the factory. And hydrogen energy generation, which is expected to be the next-gen energy source, has also been introduced. The office was designed to be more energy efficient with improved heat insulation. By covering all of its energy consumption with renewable energy, the building has been certified as a Zero Energy Building, or ZEB. Supplying 100% renewable energy to power a factory with a variety of large machines is no easy task. The main source of energy creation is solar power generation. On the 190-meter-long rooftop of the factory building, we installed a solar power generation system with a total power output of 670 kilowatts. We also implemented a hydrogen energy generation system, which attracts attention as a next-gen clean energy. The hydrogen energy system generates power using fuel cells of 30 kilowatts output. In terms of hydrogen used in the system, we bring in byproduct hydrogen generated in the neighboring factories in Hokkaido and store it in the hydrogen tanks. Additionally, we will demonstrate the use of green hydrogen at the factory. Green hydrogen is produced from solar-generated electricity using a water electrolyzer, and then stored in hydrogen-absorbing alloys. The system generates electricity through fuel cells using byproduct hydrogen and green hydrogen. We will perform real-time monitoring of power generation from solar and hydrogen, as well as power consumption at the factory and the office. Through these demonstrations, we will strive to acquire expertise in the use of electricity from solar and hydrogen energy sources. Now, let us walk you through our energy-saving initiatives in the office. Considering the cold climate of Hokkaido, we installed resin sashes for improving thermal insulation. We reduced the lighting load by diffusing daylight through window lighting films. We installed human sensor control for automatic operation of the lightings. We installed high-efficiency air conditioning systems tailored for cold regions with motion sensors. The combination of these technologies enhance energy-saving performance. All these initiatives resulted in 65% reduction rate of energy saving in the office. By covering 100% of electricity consumption with renewable energy sources, we obtained the highest rank of ZEB certification for the office. We believe that responding to climate change issues is one of our most important management issues. At the new factory, which will run on 100% renewable energy using solar power and hydrogen, we will be fabricating temporary steel structures for the construction of offshore wind farms, which are expected to become a major source of renewable energy in the future. Here in Muroran, Penta-Ocean's look-ahead approaches targeting carbon neutrality are about to take off.